Hi friends, today we'll discuss about what is meant by PAN, what is meant by Form 60 and what is meant by Form 61. So PAN is issued by Income Tax Department. It's a 10-digit alphanumeric number. So alphanumeric number means it contains numeric number and alphabets also. So this will be issued by Income Tax Department. PAN is required when you file a return or you do a certain type of transactions. You have to mention PAN number. So some people, they doesn't have a PAN number, they can submit form number 60 and they can submit form number 61 also if they doesn't have a income tax. So it is not required to submit form number 60, PAN number or form number 61 for all the transactions. Only few specified transactions you can submit the PAN number or form number 60 or form number 61. So today discuss what are the types of transactions we have to submit the PAN number, and if you don't have a PAN number, so how to submit form number 60 and 61. So why PAN? So all non-individuals means all companies, partnerships, everybody should apply for a PAN, and all the people associated means people are working as a director, people are working as a management director or trustee. These people should have PAN number, and the entity will be dealing with financial transactions where their entire transaction amount exceeds 2.5 lakhs in a financial year, they have to apply for a PAN. It is mandatory. Even few transactions, when you go to bank and when you deposit cash more than 50,000, you have to submit a PAN. Even here we have a threshold limit 20 lakhs for a annual limit. So during these transactions also we have to submit the PAN. So everybody should have PAN if you are doing certain transaction. Some people, they doesn't have a PAN, then they can submit form number 60. So form number 60 is a declaration by an individual, not any company or firm. They must and should, they have to apply for PAN and they have to mention the PAN number. Individuals only, if they don't have a PAN, they can mention the form number 60. They have to fill the form number 60 and they have to give, and only few transactions specified under 114B of income tax rules. So we'll discuss, every person should code the permanent number in all the documents pertaining to these transactions. Okay, only these transactions you have to give the PAN number or form number 60. And few samples I'll give you. When you want to buy a mutual funds, or when you want to buy a two-wheeler, four-wheeler vehicle, or you want to buy a company shares or debentures, then you have to give a PAN number. And during the, only I given sample rules in 114B. So during these transactions, you have to give a PAN. If it doesn't have a PAN, then you can give a form number 60, filling the form number 60 form, and you can give it to the company. What is form number 61? So if you don't have a PAN, you can give a form number 60 or 61. 61 means the person only having agricultural income. So agricultural income is not taxable, and you don't have a other income, like you don't have income from rental, or you don't have income from capital gains, or you don't have income from business, then you have only agriculture income, you don't have other income, then you can give a form number 61. I have only agriculture income and it will not cover under income tax, so I have not applied for the PAN, so if I am submitting form number 61. So now we know like what is PAN and what is form number 60 and form number 61. I'll show you the sample form number 60 and 61 for your reference. So this is the form number 60, where individual will fill the entire details: name, middle name, surname, date of birth, father's full details, address, telephone number, amount of the transaction date, and transaction mode, whether you are given a cash, check, card, and your Aadhaar number. So everything you have to mention in the form number 60. In form number 61, you have to give a declaration that you have only agricultural income and you don't have any other income other than the agricultural income. You can submit the form number 60. Thank you, friends.